Learn the basics of Chinese easily with Ehauyu's easy-to-use language learning app. This app is perfect for people who visit China and need to learn enough Chinese to communicate with others to make their visit as pleasant as possible. It's also great for those staying for an extended period of time. Proven simplified teaching methods are used for quick learning and retention. Your learning experience includes how to read, write, and speak basic Chinese. Select the matching picture for quick and easy memory retention. Selecting the right word to match the picture is so easy. With more than 10 categories of language learning courses to choose from, you can feel confident that you will learn enough words for conversation in the most common topics. Easily learn how to write Chinese words. You'll learn how to properly pronounce Chinese words with our advanced speech recognition technology. You'll hear how the word or sentence is pronounced, and then the app will listen to you speaking the word or sentence. The app will then tell you how accurately it was pronounced. Use on any Android device version 6 and above. Your learning categories include personal pronouns, plural words, common expressions, various foods, clothing, colors, family titles, date and time, types of places to go, and much more. On-screen assistance is available to help you along the way. Start learning Chinese today.